Course in Miracles, Workbook for Students, Workbook Lesson 112, Review of Lessons 93 and 94. For morning and evening review, light and joy and peace abide in me. I am the home of light and joy and peace. I welcome them into the home I share with God, because I am a part of Him. I am as God created me. I will remain forever as I was, created by the changeless like Himself. And I am one with Him, and He with me. On the hour, say, light and joy and peace abide in me. On the half hour, say, I am as God created me. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you. I love you, and God bless you. Bye.